First, Gracie Sage. Gracie has battled a rare sarcoma in the chest, one of less than 200 people. She was 9 years old when it was found, and she endured 12 rounds of chemotherapy and 21 IV infusions. She is now in good health and playing volleyball for Cuthbertson Middle School. Grace is also been found in the soccer field playing for 2 club soccer teams, including U14 and PL. And number 16, a very young Charlie Cushing. Charlie is a junior here at CHS and battled a rare form of hepatoblastoma that only 102 people had when she was diagnosed at age 11. She had 5 total surgeries, 21 rounds of chemotherapy, and numerous transfusions. Charlie is now thriving academically and athletically, plays club volleyball, and serves as a leader in school and church. Charlie and Gracie are recipients and proof of the help from Claire's Army. These warriors have more grit and determination than most of us. The team is coached by assistant coach Christina Higgins and head coach Seth Moore. Coach Moore's Tanner was diagnosed with rhabdomyosarcoma in 2009 at age 3. He underwent surgery to remove the tumor, 42 weeks of chemo, and 26 radiation treatments. Tanner is now 19 years old and is a professional firefighter in Washington, D.C. Thank you to Claire's Army for their support then and tonight. Claire's Army and these young players and families are an inspiration to all of us and a reminder to support childhood cancer research and funding. Go like and follow Claire's Army on social media as a start in your continued support of childhood cancer awareness. And now at this time, we would ask you to please rise.